Hello, good morning. I'm Dr. Madhuri Chatterjee from BBD Government College, Chimanpura, and I had been telling you from in the past lectures about this small, lovely story called Night Train at Deoli by Ruskin Bond. And the story is about just two characters, it's a boy and the girl. And the boy is the one who is the author of the story, and he has been traveling to Dehradun. And on the way to Dehradun, he comes across this girl on the railway platform, which is hardly not a very important, significant thing. But the girl seems to have, the boy seems to have lost his heart, and he remembers very strongly that girl. Next, on the next returning visit, he wants to meet the girl again, but the girl is nowhere to be seen. She must have left the station, or some other fate might have, or some other occupation she might have taken up. The boy is in that state of mind, and he feels that the following year in summer he again walks up and down the platform hoping to see the girl, but somehow he cannot bring himself to break the journey to look for her. He seems to be afraid of discovering the truth about her. He doesn't want to know, he doesn't want to accept the fact that the girl has been married, or the girl has no more, or the girl is gone somewhere, or the girl, whatever, probably marriage only. He's afraid that he might find out something unpleasant about her which is not acceptable. He just wants to return his sweet memories of her. But he suggests to his readers that he did not want to project himself like a hero of a movie where the hero would meet his beloved after undergoing all hardships and finally win her over. So it's not, it's not the story of Shah Rukh Khan meeting someone, and you're given your heart, and then the story goes on, and you find the right place, and you are, in years or over, you are man and wife. This sort of a thing doesn't happen always in reality, in real life. It is just an impressionable mind which carries these memories. He prefers to keep hoping and dreaming, waiting for the girl. Now, interestingly, years and years have passed, but we do not know much about the girl. We know very little of the young man's family or the circumstances. We can see ourselves in him. We all remember moments of fantasy like love. So you might have also been, moving across some relative, some friend, some house, some marriage, some party somewhere. You might have come across someone from the opposite sex, and maybe you might have had a liking for the person, but it's not necessary. It's not essential that feelings of strong attraction towards a person we barely know. We know what it is like to build someone up in our imagination. The narrator never moves beyond the place. He never acts, and he's filled with remorse. Remorse is a kind of sadness because of it. Because Bond's narrator is a kind of every man. Now that's a very, very important thing. He's every man. This is something it is something very psychological. It is something very it is something it's a growing up years. Everybody has these kind of you know things in life, impressions, memories, and some of them are more sensitive to carry it for some more years. Some drop it there and forget about it. So here is this narrator, and he is wanting to remember the girl. He doesn't want to forget the girl. So not just the girl, but the Deoli is also a place which is sealed in his mind forever and forever. Now, next I've given you a link, HTTP YouTube B. The link has been given. If you click on this link, you can hear the story and see the story also. I think that is going to help you a little more. So enjoy the story, read Ruskin Bond, think about these things. If you can think of you know an encounter, something like that, do write about it. And thank you so much for this small short story. I hope you'll all enjoy.